Kublai pi barong i priang sngobhai pi syakatuk kubor mentah ke janmit. Para shwa bangin pai syaki kubor ki babnya nginya pet shwa ki mat bekongsan. Seiso ke jing persyang penher ke India yau Aditya L1 na Sri Harikota Space Center uban kemi benya ia kesmi ha kesin meningkong. Ya kendo kinong mi kemat nari ke Doba Afrika ya usembut mencerang ba ubak Preston Tinsong. Benlong ke Nehu ya ke PA Sangma Memorial Lecture ke Bahnyau Hatura Campus. Bat yadao Presiden ke Seng NPP ha ke jela u Dr. W.R. Kharluki ya ke jingti doyong ha Meghalaya. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ka jingya lenti jong ke India syakasngi kelasang henne kasngi ha kapor khatway sanpho minstep ha Satish Dhawan Space Center ha Sri Harikota. Ka shimpor kumba shikenta bat lai minute ya Aditya L1 ban sedang ya ka jingya lenti syakasngi. Ha kapor shiteng sngi henne kasngi u namding PSLV C57 u bakit ya Aditya L1 ula her syasun ha ringkat ke jing sawa ke bajam bat ke jing yarisa na kinong tre ke Israel ki balapin pau ya ke jing sungukumen lingba ki jing siau bat ki jing thap kti. Ha ke jing ya lenti ke basau penai u Aditya L1 un poi ha lak range point 1 ka balong ke jaka bayatan ki arteli ki met beneng kata ke sngi bat ke perthai. Ka jing temu ban penher ya Aditya L1 ka long ban kmi benya ya kil air tawiar ka sngi bat ka jinglong jong ka sngi. U Aditya L1 ura ya nyauteli ki jatiar ki ban kmi ya ka photosphere, chromosphere bat ka benta ka bashabar jong ka sngi kata ka corona.
By 19,500 km which is intended very precisely by the PSLV, very unique mission mode here. With the upper stage of the PSLV taking 2 burn sequence for injecting the primary satellite for the first time. So I want to congratulate PSLV for such a very different mission approach today to do this mission of Aditya L1 to put it in the right orbit. Now from now the Aditya L1 will take its journey after some earth maneuvers. It will start its journey to the L1 point.
Ki nong mikmat kibana ki santeli kiri lom kiri kum kibana Gambia, Mongolia, bat Kazakhstan kilai kendo ya usembut menteri rangba ka Meghalaya uba Preston Tinsong ha ka office rekam ka jong u ha nong ba shalong hinin ka singi. Jing pinbit pinbiang ka sarkar Meghalaya. Ulaya ro ru ya ki jaka kibakini ki nong mikmat kila let jingok kai ha Meghalaya.
We are here to visit with the Deputy Chief Minister, and the hospitality that he has accorded us is exceptional. He is a down-to-earth human being. We had fun with him, and we love all of you. We love your state. You have a beautiful state. We will be here many more times.
Ka jing IT ka bashisha ban kin ma burom ya upurno e sangma kan long ban but din ya ki denjat bat ki jing hikai ki jong u ban bu hakmat tam ya kari bat ya ki pat ba. Kini ki long ki kentin bala kren da menteri rangba ka jela u kongrat e sangma hakapor ba ukentu ya ki pat ba ban but ya ki denjat ki jong ukpa jong u. U bolong unong ya lam bala slem tam bat pau nam nakathan chatay lamingi. Haba ajing kren ha ka PA Sangma Memorial Lecture ka Bahnyau ka bala penyat da ka Nehu Tura Campus bat ka PA Sangma Foundation ha District Auditorium Tura ban kinma burom ya uni unong yalam ka jat benreu garo ha ka lingkhu sika ka Bahnyau penreu ka jong u ha ka bala wan ban shimenta do unong thok khubor ba pau bat ubalong ru editor in chief ka kot khubor the print u Shekhar Gupta kumunong kren ba kerpang usangma ula pinken mau ya ki jing hikai ki bamla ban pinkela ki jong ukpa jong u bat ki jing kordor ki jong ki bat ki pat ba ki bai don rengkat ha ka te kesngi u Shekhar Gupta ha ka jing ajing kran jong u ula pin pau ba u PA sangma ula let kloi shala ukan rat bat dangsa bun ki bahab ban pendep yak nakabenta ki reulom ke India.
And all of us, we used to sit with him, with my mother, And he used to tell us many aspects about politics, and at that point in time, we never gave importance to it. It looked like another lecture that he was giving us. But then when we look back today, those lectures or those discussions became like a guide, a book, a manual on how to be in politics today.
Purno Sangma, one, he left too early. He left too early. He'd be 76 now, which means really left early. He had a lot left to do.
State President Kaseng National People's Party uba WR Karluki uleda ya ka jingti doyong ha ka jilla da ka babanjur ba ka long ka bakongsan namar ka day ka kamay jakpo jongki nong shong shnong ulapan pau ya ka jingta jongki jingkang ti doyong bat ya ki jing e ba ki brio ki ya kandu ha ka ne ka than uba Karluki ulapan syai ba ka jingkershan jong u halor ka jingti doyong ka day ka jingsngo shimet jong u day jong ka sorkar ula banjur ba ka jingti doyong ka day ka telong jong ka yok kot jong ki breu la jan sau post nem minta ka jing bam sha ti doyong ha ka jingsngo jong u kaya serem ba ka jing pendu bam ya ki breu.
Goal for us people coming from Giant Hills, it is our livelihood. It is enshrined in as a fundamental rights, and denying coal mining for my people from my district, which we have been practicing for nearly 4 decades, is like denying food for our people. How much it has affected the people there. I'm always for coal mining. That's why I said, okay, you start with your whatever coal mining, but at least my people should have to survive.
Kum kadak ban rakhe ya ka jinglong nongyalam jong ka India ya ka G20 ka Akashwani Shillong kala penlong ya ka jingshat tenrai ha St. Anthony's College Shillong hinin ka sngi kikin hon nong shat tenrai kala penshok biet ya ki nong petkai da ka jingshat jong ki ha ka ni ka tamasa uhe ka program section ka Akashwani uba H ding do bat ki wei pat ki he ki han kilai don lang ha ka ni ka sngi. Ka senjuk wahet chnong Jowai hinin kasngi kala let jurip ya ka Jowai MCH Hospital bat kala ya kendu ya u superintendent kani ka hospital u Dr. Ebenezer War ha kani ka jing ya kendu ki nong mikmat jong ka SWCJ kile phliu jingmut halor ki mat bapher ki bai dei bat ka jing ai jing sumar bat ka rukom ai jing shakri da kani ka hospital ke SWCJ kalap mat phang halor ka jingdon kam ban kintiu ya ka ni ka rukom ai jing sumar ha ka district knang ba onla man pinbiang ya ka jingdawa na ki jingnang kiu jong ki jingbun breu kila banjur ru ba ka jingpen bha ya ka rukom ai jing sumar kam shamut tang ban kintiu ya ka rukom khmi ya ki nongpang henrai ban kring ru ya ki doktor ki batbit ki ban wan ai ki jing shakri ha Jowai mentapat nyepe ya ke jinglong jingman ke sunmeneng ha Shillong ka jingshit kalong arpunyo point lai degree Celsius bat ka jingkriat kalong khat pra point r degree Celsius ka jingsngam ka hau kalong henripuwe na ka shispa menstep bat nyo pusaw na ka shispa janmin kala bandon ka jinghap slap ka ba malumala hakibabun ki jaka shwaban poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup kubor nyepe biang sa shisien ki mat bakongsan Seiso ka jing persyang penher ke India ya Aditya L1 na Sri Harikota Space Center uban kini punya ya kasni ha kasien ke Beningkong. Ya kendo kinong mikmat nari kadoba Afrika ya usembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tinson. Benlong ka nehu ya ka PA Sangma Memorial Lecture ka Bahinyo Hatura Campus. Bat yada Presiden Kaseng NPP ha ka jilla Dr. WR Karluki ya ka jingti doyong Meghalaya. Te paralog da kitu ki khubor ngila poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup khubor jongi mata ka janmit hadu bangine syam yang bat phila shay kasngi ha ka ju ka por khuble phi baro.
स्वच्छ जल और नारी का संघर्ष, दोनों का सदियों से संबंध रहा। पानी तो पहले भी